Coming to Bharat Mobility Auto Expo, you can find a lot of new launches. But today, the first day of Bharat Mobility 2025, what caught my attention is the SUV of scooters. This product, Indy from River, you can see such a so beautiful, very attractive. It's a completely different. See, that is something what the EVs have given to us, right? The electric vehicles, there is a lot of flexibility in design. Now, I am having with me Mayuri. Mayuri is the head of manufacturing of River. Please come. Hello, Mayuri.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. So, Indy is amazing.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for your kind words.
How you made it?
With a lot of love and hard work.
So I heard that this comes from the Silicon City of India or the Garden City of India.
Bengaluru. Yes.
Namma Bengaluru.
Yes. Yeah.
So can you just tell me that, okay, who founded it?
Yeah.
And this design, which, and you can see the different,
Yeah.
red, yellow, all are looking fabulous.
Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah.
So how all the journey started?
Sure. So we are River Mobility. We are a 3.5-year-old company. It was founded by Aravind and Vipin. They are both our founders. Now, it's a very interesting combination because Aravind comes from business background. He has headed multiple commercial roles at various organizations, and Vipin comes from design background. So it's a match made in heaven in a way, right? So Vipin is someone who has designed this, and both of them together coming and creating something beautiful, and that is what you see in the here. Right? And of course, there's a lot of love, passion, and hard work put into it. Also, if you see closely, Indy is full of details. For example, you would remember growing up, if you have used two-wheelers at all, you would load the floorboard.
Now also.
Exactly. Now also, if your wife is asking you to get vegetables.
It means not just vegetables. You
yes,
see,
but whatever.
Taking the car and going to the nearby
Can
stores
become
is
hectic.
always trouble.
Yeah.
So we do, me and my wife, we give food to these dogs every day night.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Getting rice is all.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
So I take this scooty what I have.
Yeah.
And keeping that is so much of challenge.
So imagine you're loading it and then you're keeping your foot peg here. So you are comfortable, your partner is comfortable, and then you are able to do the noble work that I do. That's very sweet, right? So these are the small things that are integrated in Indy, and that just really shows the design intent behind it. And we are a design first organization. We ensure that the people who use it are at the center of our design, and that's how Indy is born, and that's how River Mobility is born. So we call it SUV of scooters. We are into utility lifestyle domain. So we know that we are going to create something which is stunning and beautiful to look at, but at the same time it is going to be very user friendly, very you-centric. So it is like almost, I would say, it's like a Pokemon. It will change for you. It will mend to your needs, right? That is something we do.
And I completely agree with you. And I am telling you, they achieved whatever she have told that they have achieved it, and it's amazing.
Thank you.
Now, the flexibility what your vehicle is able to get is because of it is an EV.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of components is less, and the battery and the motor, which and there is a lot of space.
Correct.
But one thing what we have seen before COVID, most of the EV space was basically the import from China.
Correct.
So in this product, how much is India?
So this product is through and through India. So this product is designed in India. We have this vehicle, we have the battery pack, we have the accessories that you see on the wall. All these things are conceptualized and designed in India, and they are manufactured and assembled in India. Of course, there is a problem that we all have to get the cells from outside, which is every OEM's problem today.
You cannot help it.
Yeah, hopefully.
We don't have the capability there.
So but everything else is done here in-house, and that is something we are very proud of. We are a hyper-local brand. We are getting our suppliers all around India, and we are assembling it in Hoskote, which is slightly outskirts of Bangalore.
Hoskote is now Bangalore.
Now is Bangalore, practically it's Bangalore. So that is what it is. So it's a product which is made in India, made for India, and made by us with a lot of love.
Mayuri,
Yeah.
I know this is not in the purview of manufacturing, but still,
Yeah.
we talk about sustainability.
Yes.
We talk about not, economically,
Yeah.
environment friendly.
Yeah.
But most of the time, the CVs are not pocket friendly.
Yeah.
This looks stunning. This is the SUV of scooters.
Yeah.
So how it is going to cost?
No, see, cost I don't want to comment on right now because we are right now in Delhi. So Delhi cost I will not comment on. But you can go on our website and you will see the costs which are there in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kerala. You'll see the costs. So the costs are very comparable, and I think you have to think slightly long term with EVs, right? So the return on investment, basically, a EV pays for itself. Right, the return on investment will happen, and honestly, it's not that expensive. Also,
Now I have gone to, because I like this bike, so I was very curious to know that what is the price. So it costs around 1.4. With all these accessories, it will cost 1.8. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
As I think that I don't have to put a lot of money into petrol.
Yeah.
Charging is a problem
Yeah.
because infrastructure is yet to come.
Yeah.
But I also heard that
Yeah.
maybe after sometimes we need to replace the battery.
Yeah, so I think this is something we all need to understand with batteries. What happens is battery is not 0 and 1. All of a sudden, one day battery doesn't stop working, right? And this is true with all the batteries, even your mobile phone batteries, right? So slowly there is a slight reduction in the current retention capacity of the battery. Let's put it that way. So it happens slowly. It doesn't happen one fine day,
But
right?
still, after maybe
Yeah.
4 or 5 years
Yeah.
or 7 8 years,
Yeah.
I need to put another 40% of. We think that by that time some revolution magic happens and we get cheap batteries, but otherwise, again I may need to
Yeah.
spend money. No, I'm just trying to.
Yeah. No, see, you might have to spend money, and there are different schemes various OEMs are coming up with where it will be overall the total cost of ownership will make sense for you. Those are things also coming in future. But you know what? Our batteries are manufactured and designed in such a great way that this we are right now talking about maybe 7-8 years, but it could be also 10 years, 12 years, right? Because that is yet to be seen, and many companies which is a well-designed battery pack which is on the road, it is still doing 95%, right? Even after maybe 8-10 years. So it just goes to say, if a well-designed battery pack is used, it is manufactured correctly, and of course it depends on how you use it and all those things, this cost will make sense eventually.
But definitely that was one point I want
Yeah.
to discuss. But
Yeah.
let me tell you,
Yeah.
after saying this,
Yeah.
beauty.
Yeah.
I must say that money is not the issue.
Yeah.
Because there are certain things in life money can't buy.
Yeah.
That's what MasterCard have given the advertisement, right? A long time ago. But for that, this India of River, I must telling you, this is a winner at Bharat Mobility 2025. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
And to your founders
Thank
and
you
all
so
of
much.
you.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you.
My
Thanks a
pleasure.
lot.
Yeah.
Thank you.